Well, hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got 4 polishes to share with you that I got from February's polish pickup. I was really good. I only got 4. But I wanted to go ahead and get this up so that you all can see some of the loveliness that you can get from polish pickup because it's open this weekend. It's only open 1 weekend a month. You go and place your order. I'll have information down below for you to go check it out. I love polish pickup because you can try a whole bunch of different indie makers, one-stop shopping, and just pay one small, really reasonable shipping cost. So I'm going to go ahead and get into my colors. I'm going to swatch them. The first one here is from Stella Chroma, and they do come in these cute little boxes. Get that out of there. And this one is called I Suspect Nargles. And that is just, oh, I hope you guys can see how pretty that is. So that is the first one. This next one is from Lollipop Posse Lacquer. A distinct aura of dottiness. And that is just, yeah, something like yumminess going on in there. And then next we have Bee's Knees Lacquer, and this is in the new bottle, I guess. And this one is the Dark Lord's most faithful servant, I think. But that one's really cool. I don't know what it is. It's like a tilled out black with flakies and hollow, and oh yes please. And then I got this Night Owl Lacquer, and this one is Love is Powerful Magic. And look at that. Yep. All of these were Harry Potter references, or, you guys know, I cannot help myself. I just can't. I cannot help myself. They call my name, and I did end up missing some because I was trying to bounce through it so fast so that I wouldn't be too tempted. Getting the lids open, by the way, while we're chatting. But I was trying to be good, so I bounced them way too fast and ended up missing some. So, but this month I am happy to announce that I did even better, and I'm only getting 2. So, stay tuned for next month. That'll be a short video. So here's the first one, and this is the one, I Suspect the Nargles. Oh, it's like, it's just one coat. Golly, I hope you guys can see that. Ah, gorgeous. It's like a kind of a frosty white with opal looking colors in it. This is just blowing me away. That's just one coat. Next we're doing Lollipop Posse Lacquer, a distinct aura of dottiness. I think this is my first Lollipop Posse Lacquer. Oh, the formula's so nice. Oh yes, some more opal-y looking stuff in that one, but in a purple base. Oh yes. And then we have the Dark Lord's most faithful servant, I believe. I can't hardly read the sticker, so I apologize. Oh wow, that's a lot more opaque than I thought it was going to be from what it looked like in the bottle. Yes, yes, yes. It's looking very green now. Remember I was saying it looked like maybe blue or black. Very pretty. And then finally we have the Night Owl Lacquer, which is Love is Powerful Magic. And I'm really pretty pleased that I didn't get like all the same family or color family, because you know I'm really bad about that when I go shopping. It's like I'm drawn to pinks or purples or blues or something. Oh, gorgeous. Look at that. Got a little flaky sticking out the end. So, so pretty. There we go. Okay, let's start back and do our second coat of I Suspect the Nargles. Well, these are staying out until I wear them. Oh, that is so pretty. Golly, I hope y'all are seeing these colors. And then we have a distinct aura of dottiness. But I wanted to share these with you while the sale or the store is open selling this month's polishes. This month's theme was like album covers or songs or something like that. I'm thinking it was album covers. And, you know, they really got me because, you know, I wanted a ton of them. There was so many of them that were reminding me of my youth, and, you know, and then some that were just gorgeous, because I was telling Shannon earlier that, Shannon from, you know, Nails, I was telling her that I'm more drawn to buying things because of the name. So, there we go with that second coat. Oh my heavens, that is so pretty. So I'm really pleased with my 4 that I got from last month. Excuse me, I'm going to close these lids up real quick, and I'm going to slap some top coat on them so you can see them with some top coat. And like I said, I will leave a link down below for you to check out the polished pickup. And I am just using my Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. Trying to be a little too stingy with it, it appears. I got some over. Because I did not let these dry really good. You guys are witness to my craziness. So let's get a lot of it on that brush. Now, oh, that's just so pretty. Alright. I am so in love with that. So, there we go. Finally getting the amount figured out for this size now. How much top coat I need. Now that we're almost done, isn't that how that works? One more. Oh, singing to me. Well, alrighty. That is it for my little haul Swatch Fest today. I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me a comment down below. Let me know if you have already placed your order this month for March's polished pickup. Let me know what you got. I love hearing, or what you're interested in, what's singing to you. But that is it for me today, so thank you for watching, and until next time, be good to yourself. Talk to you soon. Bye.